Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to get Google Bard API key. That's the topic of today. And I asked that topic to Bard provide this information before reading. That, I am telling something, today's Bard API key is not available for the public, but we can apply from Google for Bard API. As of today, December 19, 2023, Bard is still under development and not yet available for public use. Therefore, you cannot currently apply for an API key. I apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. However, there are a few ways to stay updated on the availability of the Bard API. Sign up for the Google AI waitlist. This is the official way to express your interest and get notified when Bard becomes available. Visit the Google AI website and click on the Join the Waitlist button. Follow Google AI on social media. Google AI is active on platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Following them keeps you informed about Bard and other Google AI projects. Read the Google AI blog. The Google AI blog regularly publishes updates on all things Google AI, including Bard. Subscribing to the blog ensures you receive email notifications for new posts. While obtaining a Bard API key is currently not possible, keep your eyes peeled for the updates mentioned above. Hopefully, you'll get to unlock the creative potential of Bard soon. If you have any other questions or would like to chat about something else, I'm happy to help. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.